What is up, guys? Today is, as usual, a Saturday, so we have some car stuff to do today. Yeah. Starts pretty good. So today we're actually doing the Jeep. So for those of you who are from Malaysia or Sarawak and Sabah, you know that the long holidays coming up, and that is because of Gawai Festival, and obviously I'm going back to my longhouse for my Gawai Festival, and that means we gotta prepare the Jeep to go for a long distance. So this is not the first time I actually brought back my Jeep to my longhouse. The first time was actually around 3 weeks ago. That was truly the very first time I brought my Jeep back to my longhouse. And my longhouse is actually in a small town called Serato. It's actually, usually it's a 4 hours drive from Kuching. First time experience driving Jeepra all the way to Serato was going back up was actually a disaster. I had radiator fan failure, I had fuse failure, I had like water tank failure because of the radiator fan, and I had aircon fan failure. Wasn't that bad in a way, I guess, but it didn't make me stranded for like a few hours on the roadside. So I learned my lesson. I mean, if I didn't go for the long distance trip, I wouldn't know that this Jeep would have this kind of problem. So it was a very crucial moment for the Jeepra to go long distance, so I can know all the potential problems or problems that will not pop up if I just keep driving it in the city, you know. So fast forward to today, we gotta head back to Serato in 2 more days. So I need to prepare the Jeep for that long distance trip. So far yesterday I have changed the don't mind, that's my brake pedal, it makes a lot of noise. I have so far changed the absorber bushing, and then I've installed new fuse for my radiator fan, and then I realized my axle is actually making some sort of loud noises, so I'm worried that my axle is actually leaking diff oil, and so we gotta check it up today, try to see if there's any seal needs to be changed or not, and change the seals, put new oil, because I don't remember if I ever actually changed this diff oil. So that's what we're doing today, and check out more stuff to prepare for a smoother ride to Serato. 4 hours drive. So we're on the way to Alvin. Quick update on the 86. It's been a while since I updated my 86 content. It's because I am still waiting for the damn fuel tank. Can you believe it? It's been 3 weeks that I've changed. It's been 3 weeks since it was supposed to be clean. I don't know why the radiator shop, the cleaning shop, has not returned my fuel tank, and the shop is so far. Whatever. So we gotta wait for the fuel tank to come back, and then we can proceed with the next update on the 86. Sad. Anyways, let's head to Alvin. Oh baby. We have arrived at Alvin. Selika 1J. Dominic Tomato. Now we need to find Dominic Tomato, aka Alvin. Don't know where he is. But I need some space for the Jeep. Ball on EJ 1000. with TDO4. Oh. This is Elvin's cancel. Elvin very busy inside. This is Elvin's new car apparently. There's a lot of custom stuff. TD04 EJ1000 with 72mm lock-on piston if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure. Or was it 73? Dashboard L5 with ABS piggyback ECU. This piggyback ECU is by ABS, but actually the socket and the design is actually just like MNH Blue. Very interesting car. I would love to own one of these, but yeah, I'm already banned from owning K-car. Yeah. Nice dashboard. Nice steering. I have a spot. He's reversing the cancel. Oh god. I love those tread. Now let's move Jeepra. Sounds good, yo. By the way, that cancel just now was last reported making, was it 140 horsepower? Yeah, something like that. It's a fast cancel, yo. Yes! Secure a spot. Full of stuff. RX-7 intercooler. Hosella. Oh, that's a Synergy RX-7 FD3S intercooler. Intercooler radiator. RA intercooler. Lancer really at for sale also. 1J intake, not for sale. Time to open the long shaft. So as you all can see, all this black area is actually because of the leak. You can see that these lines are actually kind of wet. So the leak is actually coming from here, if I'm not mistaken. So we gotta take off the long shaft, and then the seal is inside here. So let's do that. Gotta unbolt this. The seal is inside. So yeah, let's do that. This is the exhaust seal that came out. Been trying to find the seal everywhere but couldn't find, so I guess Jeep has to sleep at Alvin's workshop today. Sad news. So Alvin's gonna help me settle it out on Monday. He's gonna custom out some seal out of it to cover that. So this seal is the one that making my axle leaking. So yeah. Very next day, the Jeep with the seal. Alvin made a custom seal for it and he's doing some sort of fitting on it with a new custom housing.
Alright. Panas.
Custom seal and housing. Custom housing spot well to make it more fit into the mouth of the axle, and then universal seal with measurement that fits the other, don't know what the thing is called, the one connects to the long shaft. 42 mm size diameter, looks good. So this housing is holding the inside seal, so next time you can just change it and put a new one in. Nice. Masuk sudah. Alright. Into. So as we wait for the seal to dry off, I'm very grateful that Alvin managed to make a custom seal out of it, custom housing which fit a new universal seal. And actually this car, I'm actually changing the seal because I'm about to drive long distance with it, 4 hours drive. So right after this fix, I'm actually driving the car up to Sratok, my longhouse, which is a 4-hour drive. Hopefully nothing will go wrong. Cross fingers. Gonna wait a bit more, dries up, and then we're gonna connect back the long shaft. Pretty excited. Don't know if we can go high speed or not, but let's just try to break in the seal first. Long shaft install. Now we're gonna refill the diff oil. Finally, we have done testing the car. I'm already at home. Now time to check if the axle is still leaking or not. If it's not leaking, then it's good news. If it's still leaking, then it's bad news. I can't go back to my longhouse. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, it's dry finally. Is it dry? Oh yes, it's dry. That is good news. You can see that, like, you know, you can see the oil here and there. That was from the previous leak. It's like oil black. Even my exhaust piping is also black because of the axle oil. Finally, Alvin nailed it on the seal. The reason why I didn't use the OEM seal for the Jeep axle, because the seal is actually very hard to find, and I did not order it at first because I thought that it would be the same with, like, you know, other JDM seal, because, you know, it's just an axle. But it turned out that even Wrangler TJ is using a different seal compared to the Jeep. So that was the sad news. We actually spent 3 hours on Saturday trying to find the OEM seal for the Jeep, and we couldn't find it. So that's why we had to wait for Monday, because that's when all the shops are open for you to machine the housing for the custom seal to sit in and whatnot. But good news, it works! I'm so happy. It's been leaking for like few years, but if it leaks again next time, then I have to install the OEM seal, because when you try to pry open the custom housing, it most probably will bend. Hope you guys like the video. That's the update on Jeepra. I have to rush to my longhouse. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.